How to add Instagram highlights from camera roll. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. You'll land to the home page. Now at the top left, you'll find this option of your story. Go ahead and click on it. With that, your gallery will open up. Now head towards the picture that you want to add in your Instagram highlight. Just click on the option of select. Now you can select multiple pictures. Once you are done, click on this arrow given at the bottom right corner. Now click on this arrow icon again. Now customize these settings and then click on share. Now click on this option of add to highlights. Click on this plus icon to create a new highlight, or in the case you want to add these photos to the existing highlight, click on the highlight option given over here. But for now, I'm gonna add these pictures to the new highlight. Now you can give a name to your highlight and then click on add. Click on done. Now I can head towards your profile page and you will be able to find the pictures from your camera roll. So this is how you can easily add Instagram highlights from camera roll. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.